We have very high-grade gold project in Alaska that in today's world are very hard to find. When we look at these companies, other mining and gold exploration companies, they're talking about having a half a gram or 2 or 3 grams would be a significant one with a huge amount of material to process and move. Our situation is such that we have a high-grade gold vein that has a cutoff grade of 1/3 to 1/2 of an ounce, with grades mostly of 1 ounce and greater. And we have many assays where we have 3, 6, 10, and up to 20 plus ounces of gold per ton in this vein system. So in today's world, those are very hard to find because those disappeared 100, 150 years ago when people first started exploring the remote regions of this continent.
We're high in the Revelation Mountains in western Alaska, in the Alaska Range, on the Terra project. The Terra project is a bonanza gold vein being explored by West Mountain Index Advisors through their subsidiary Terra Mining Corporation. We're standing on the Ben vein. The Ben vein is a high-grade bonanza gold vein discovered in the mid-90s by Ben Porterfield of Kennecott Exploration. This vein is 1 to 3 feet wide, striking approximately 330 degrees and dipping 68 to 70 degrees to the southwest. What currently is happening here is an excavator is exposing the vein along surface so a large bulk sample can be taken to better assess the gold resource here. Right here, we have a nice exposure of the Ben vein opened up by the excavator. The Ben vein here is approximately 2 feet wide, dipping, down dip in this direction. It is within a package of slate rocks, and as you go down the hill in this direction, it will enter an intrusive diorite, which is along strike. Along strike, there's been a series of drill holes by past and currently being drilled by Terra Mining Corporation. The exploration program currently taking place here at Terra consists of sampling. We are sampling by diamond drilling, rock sampling, and also taking a bulk sample which will be processed at the pilot mill currently under construction 1.5 miles down the valley next to the Terra camp. Below are Terra Mining Corporation personnel constructing drill pads to drill upon the high-grade bonanza Ben vein. What you're seeing before you is the custom-made gold pilot mill made specifically for the Terra project. Material from the Ben vein will be placed in the hopper. Will go along the conveyor belt to the jaw crusher, where it will be crushed to a -1 inch. Will go into the second conveyor belt to the roll crusher, where it will go to a -1/4 inch. Will go into a third conveyor belt into the ball mill. From the ball mill, the material will be placed upon the gold recovery tables, where gold will be recovered. The diamond drill rig on the mountain produces HQ core. The HQ core is placed into wooden boxes where it is transported to the core shack, where it is evaluated by registered geologists. The geologists choose the sample intervals to be sampled. The intervals chosen to be sampled are cut in half by diamond saw. Half stays with the box. The other half of the core is placed into bags where it is under lock and key until it is transported to the assay lab. The assay lab evaluates and tests the drill core for its metal content.
Right now, there's been 3 seasons of drilling on the property and 168,000 ounces from those 3 drillings. We believe that if you just do simple modeling and mathematical calculations, if we can replicate what's been created over 300 yards over the whole mile and a third length, we have a more than 1 million to multi-million ounce deposit.